Welcome to breakfast, Rhys. This looks delicious, doesn't it? Is that your hero pose?
It's okay.
Okay.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves, we'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town for low, we run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. We will go our way until we go flatline. Don't get in our way, 'cause we won't waste more time. We will go our way until we go flatline. Nothing in our way until we go flatline. Flatline.
Hey, we're on. Tell everybody what happened.
We're on the island, a kite crashed, and
Our kite crashed. But what else did we see? We saw kite surfers and wind surfers and boats go by,
yeah.
and there was a pirate ship out there, and there was a sailboat out there.
Yeah, and even those crazy guys.
Yeah, and those crazy guys crashing the water. Oh, I'm sorry. Hello.
Those guys.
Yeah.
And we took a nap
And Mama took a nap
with Aiden.
It was awesome. And look who is next to us right here. There's a kite flying meetup, and it's incredible. These kites are like 20 feet long. It's amazing. But we're starting to get a little hungry, right? So, why don't we head off Presque Isle, or let's just explore a little until we find some food. Does that sound good? Okay, dude.
Let's go exploring.
Let's do it. Here we go.